First, locate the emulator's directory. For mine, the general rule of thumb, especially this new modern Android Studio, the emulator is located exactly to this part. Add the directory into your path variable. Set your environment variable, go to path, make a new one, copy the directory of your emulator and paste it, and you're good to go. Next, now how to open it. First, you have to check the list of your installed emulators by checking the type emulators page minus list minus avds. Then the list comes out. Then you get and open your choice. Thank you. Just click like, don't bother to subscribe. Thank you.
Now listen, even superheroes need weak people before they can become superhero. Think about it.